She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kobe and welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, thank you all for your love and support. Thank you for all my old subscribers, and thank you to anyone who is newly subscribed to my channel. I hope you love all the content I am putting out. Please don't forget, if you come across any of my videos and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and join the Kobe world. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you do not miss an upload. Also, please follow my business social media handles. My Facebook is the name of my business, KCO Unlimited, and as well as my Instagram, KCO Unlimited as well. All my information will be linked down in the description box below. And if you get bored and want to see what I am up to in my downtime, you can follow my personal IG at aprilcobay or my personal Snapchat at aprilcobay as well. So now that we got that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So I want to apologize if the angle is crazy. My son has messed up my tripod and I'm kind of shooting at like an angle because it's not leveled. So I apologize. This video is going to be quick and to the point. I am going to show you guys how I make my peppermint lip gloss. So I love this lip gloss. I've actually sold out of this lip gloss about 3 times, and I'm actually going to restock it, and I want to show you guys quickly how I make it. I have pretty much made the gloss base. I use a red and a clear type of gloss, iridescent type of gloss, iridescence. So I've already made that. So it's not really a tutorial from start to finish. If you do want to see how I make my gloss from start to finish, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video to show you guys how I make my peppermint lip gloss. So I'm going to talk a little bit more quickly, and then I'm going to angle it down so you're not going to see my face. You're probably just mostly going to see from my neck below, so I apologize. I'm trying to work on my best to get the best lighting and everything I need to shoot professional videos, but one thing at a time. So yes, so I actually am going to make my gloss and my wand tubes and my squeeze tubes. I'm going to show you guys that really quick. So yes, if you're interested in seeing how I make my peppermint gloss, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I do apologize for the angle, but this is so you can see how I'm making my gloss. I have this sort of iridescent gloss, and then I do also have a red gloss as well. So I'm going to be using 2 colors of gloss in this lip gloss. I do also have my lovely little peppermint pieces. This is safe. It's a cosmetic grade. It will not irritate your lips at all, and they actually do not come out. They are just there for aesthetic pleasing. So yes, I'm going to jump right on into it. I do have my 60cc syringe. You can use any type of syringe that you would like, and I'm going to fill it with my clear gloss. And the good thing about this gloss, you guys, is I'm going to use 1 syringe. I'm just going to fill all the clear up first, and then once I do that, I will go back with the red. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and filled this up with the first color we're going to have at the bottom of the gloss tube. So first what I like to do, I'm going to place this down. I can actually get that out of the view. And I like to go ahead and put some of my peppermint pieces in the bottom of the tube first. And I don't really count, I just eyeball it. And I just put a few of these pieces in the bottom. Sorry for the angle, you guys. And like I said, this is all just for the aesthetic look. These are safe, they're cosmetic grade. They are not going to fall out, come out of the tube. Alright, so we're going to begin filling. And I kind of eyeball it about 1/2 of the way. And then before I put the red, I do add some more peppermint pieces. So I'm just getting out the tubes and I'm just filling them halfway, eyeballing it. Oop, if you can see, halfway. So now that they're halfway filled, I'm gonna grab some more of my peppermints. I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna shake a couple of more into my hand and add them to the half-filled squeeze and wand tubes. All right, you guys, now I'm back. I did fill the same syringe I used for the first gloss. I did fill this tube with the red gloss. And now I'm just going to start filling the rest of the gloss up with this red, filling the rest of the gloss tube up with this red gloss. As you see, I have put the peppermints halfway in there as well as on the bottom. And we're gonna top off with red. I may have not mentioned in the video that this gloss smells and tastes like peppermint, and it gives you a cooling sensation. And these are my glosses. I can show a better view once I have my gloves off and all of them are filled, so bear with me, you guys. You definitely will see the ending result of these beautiful glosses. And my customers love these glosses. I get the most compliments. Like I said, I've sold out, I want to say 2 or 3 times on this particular gloss. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and I'm done filling and cleaning down all the tubes. So this is how they look. I'm sorry if you can't, there we go, that might be better. So you see the peppermints throughout. It has that peppermint sort of look with the white gloss or the clear iridescent type of gloss at the bottom and then the red at top. They smell and they taste like peppermints. This is my squeeze tubes, how they look. So I can find a cute one. So you have the peppermints all throughout, and my customers love this gloss. I love it myself. So once again, thank you all for your love and support. It means the world to me. If you have any suggestions, any videos you want to see in the future, let me know in the comment section below. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do apologize if it was all over the place. I just wanted to kind of get this content out for you guys quick and to the point. So yes, you guys, thank you all for your love and support, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.